background in CapCut. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, open up an existing or a new CapCut project. Make sure you put the
Alam mo yung feeling na may importante kang meeting tapos pag uwi mo nakalimutan mo yung kalahati. Kaya naman busy ka sa work classes, meetings, interviews, and ang daming info pero hindi mo kayang isulat lahat habang nagsasalita sila. By the way, itong pinapakita ko sa inyo, this is the Plaid Note Pen. Maliit, sleek, wearable, AI voice recording na literal na isusuot mo na lang. I-clip mo lang to sa damit o kaya naman sa necklace or bracelet, then press mo lang tas automatic magre-record na siya. Ito yung sample ko.
And make sure you've got the background you want to use added.
Automatic na itong nagre-record, pwedeng voice, pwede nyo ring i-generate ng text. Perfect nga ito for meetings, interviews, classes, kahit business calls.
Consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, open up an existing or a new CapCut project. Make sure you've got the background you want to use added. Link selected, scroll along at the bottom until you see the option remove BG.
Hindi nga lang ito transcript, may AI summary pa. Key points, highlights, action items, parang may personal assistant. Kung bet mo nasa basket ko na yan.